Hey there, here is how you maximize the number of profiles that you can capture from a Facebook group's member list. Facebook has certain limitations that will only let you grab a certain amount of profiles from a bigger group. So as you can see here, we're about 22,000 members, and then it depends again on certain things, but it typically will only let you capture a couple thousand consistently. So in order to grab more than that, what you do is just go to people, members, and then from here, you're just going to type in letter A, and then you can go down the alphabet, B, C, D, and then it will let you capture all those profiles with the letter A, since it's a much shorter list than the whole member list. And so how this would work is just type in A into the members little search bar, and then you would hit the extension, Facebook is a platform, group members, and then click start and stop auto scroll. And then this can just run the background until you captured all the profiles with letter A. For time's sake, I'm just going to do with what profiles we have already collected. And then I'm just going to copy the profiles to clipboard. Go to FlowChat, click import, export, then click Facebook, then click group, and then click out of here. Type in the group name. And then if you need to add a new group if it's not there, then you can just follow the instructions on this button. Paste the profiles. And then I would suggest just writing a quick note. For example, this is e-commerce growth hacking. And then that's the group. And then I do the date, so then if you want to import again from this group, you'll know when the last time you imported, so you can collect new profiles. And then also, I would put the letter that we imported with from the alphabet, so A. And then if you want, you can attach these leads to a pipeline stage. But from here, I'm just going to do start importing. It's just going to take a couple of seconds. Perfect. So now we have 120 leads processed and 76 new leads have been imported. Okay, and then we can go here, and then we can go back here. I'm just going to stop the scroll to show you what it looks like to go to the next letter. Perfect. So I'm going to scroll back up here, and then you can just delete the A and then type in B. And then I would go to the extension. So new profiles have been loaded. And then I would just go to the extension. Facebook is a platform, group members. Perfect. And now it's collecting these leads. And after a while, I'm just going to click this. Perfect. Now go back into here. You can keep the group name there. Control-Alt or Command-Alt, Control-A if you're on a PC, and then Command-A if you were on an Apple device, and then just delete behind the backspace, and then paste the profiles, and then change this to B, and then attach to a pipeline if you wish, and then click Start Importing. Perfect. So 89 new leads have been imported. Again, this system won't make duplicates. So if it's already in the system, then it'll just be ignored. So we can see some of them have been ignored, but we have 89 new leads have been imported. And so we would just continue this process, just typing in the search bar C, D, E, F, and so on until you have captured all the profiles that you wish to collect.